Hey guys, Vent Reality here. This is update number 1 on Eternion BFA. So we'll just go ahead and hop right in and make a new character. I'll go, let's see, Maghar Mage. I've made a few changes to the server, added in some new displays and stuff, so I'll point it out as I go. I added this guy in everywhere, of course. You have to have him for the starter quest. Before he was just in the human starting zone. Go ahead and equip these bags. I should really mess with the one of the DB2 files. I think it's chair start outfit. It's set up really strange than it used to be though. I added player information to the teleporter stone. It'll tell you your MG balance, which is account bound on my server, your VP balance, and your DP balance. Just throw this bullshit in here. We'll just go ahead and run through some normal gameplay. Like I said, I added in a bunch of display IDs for the gear. These are Legion artifact models. This is still a bug I'm trying to work out. After you click accept, it just kind of sits here. You gotta close out of it manually. PvP gear is not... He's not on the vendor yet. Or it, not he. All the gear's in the game. We have to redo the stat system or I have to redo all the stats. So we're looking into redoing the stat system first. Let's see if this works. Yep. So here's the changes to the upgrade gem. Obviously shows the requirements. I changed some text color. Put an icon on here. It's just a bunch of miscellaneous small changes. Shows your MG balance. Just to make it easier on you. More artifact displays. Trainers are really obsolete now, so I'm not sure what to do with them. I might just put on custom quest lines for them, just so they're not completely useless. Here's the Royal Exchange. This is where all the vote vendors will be. Of course, the arena right here. Uh, Not much will go on here. It's just obviously PvP. Might put in some cool game objects and stuff just to spice it up. Obviously the Battle Angel, that boss that used to be here. That's kind of a lower priority. So after the arena quest, we go back to new quest zone PvE. That's where we turn in the quest over here. Crumbling Depths of Fighting, that's the first farming instance. Teleportation, Super Dungeon, Crumbling Depths. And these quests you can actually do now. I couldn't find any data, so I did it my own way. The iron is actually necessary for upgrading your gear. Just gonna set up my action bars real quick. You'll be able to do more damage later after we figure out the whole stat system thing. Right now it's kind of lower stats. I'll show you. So right here, it's 6 intellect, 6 stamina, 1 hit, 1 crit, 6 spell power. Those stats should double right after you upgrade. Okay, so they don't double, but it's still better than what you had. So yeah, that's pretty much all the changes so far. Nothing that crazy. You'll notice a lot more changes after the stat system for sure. I just want to be able to test this correctly to make sure it's playable and decent. Let me just think real quick, make sure that's everything. Yeah, I mean, that looks like everything I can show you right now. Well guys, tune in for the next video and have a good one.